Hi, my name is Zola. This is a tutorial for the Pilates 100. There are a few ways to do this, so let's start with the traditional way, lying onto your back and bringing your knees to your chest to start. Lift your chest off of the mat, and then from here, straighten your arms and legs. Your legs are in a high diagonal. Keep your pubic bone pulling back to your belly button and pump the arms up and down like you're splashing water. Nice large pumps. Inhaling for 5 pumps, exhaling for 5 pumps until you get to 100 pumps. To finish, you pause with the arms, pull the knees to the chest, and rest the head. Now, if you're a beginner, you can keep your feet on the mat as you pump those arms, squeezing those inner thighs together, or you can bring your legs to a tabletop position. Same thing, inhaling for 5 pumps, exhaling for 5 pumps until you get to 100 pumps. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, you can start with the legs straight and the arms straight. I have a hard time with this one, but it's fun to try. So with this one, you just lift your chin to your chest, lift your chest and your legs at the same time. Same pumps, the legs are a little bit lower, but you're still squeezing the inner thighs and the heels together until you get to 100 pumps. You rest everything down. Whew, that one's super hard, but every time it's 100 pumps. Now what you don't want to do, which I see sometimes, is kind of balance on your pelvis and the upper back is light on the mat and you have your legs in that V. That's not your traditional Pilates 100 position. You want pretty much your whole back to press down into the mat, and when you lift your chest off of the mat, the shoulder blades lift, the chest lifts, but the back is heavy. And then you can do your pumps in whatever position your legs need to be. And hopefully that helps. Enjoy your Pilates journey.